All about the detail, all about the detail. Those who look the closest go the furthest just to prevail. Every voice up in your heart saying me now. Every voice up in your mind saying freak out. All about the detail, all about the detail. You might never go to places you don't seek out. You might never build a house that you don't dream about. Looking at another yellow sign that says keep out. All about the detail, all about the detail. So small, blow away, just don't breathe out. It might never add up if you never recount. If you read that email, you might never rebound. All about the detail, all about the detail. Maybe that's the secret, maybe that's why we fail. Maybe if they knew they wouldn't need the retail. And maybe if the story hit, we wouldn't need to retell. Just the other day I had a dream that I made it. Looking at my future self like please don't keep me waiting. Sleeping on the wrong side, sleeping on my greatness. If I wake up early I might have some choice statements. Sitting in the sky like a poltergeist. Sitting in disguise like all my life. When did you decide what was wrong or right? It just keep on shifting on the line like working overnight. Deaf, dumb and blind to your heart, mind and soul. That's okay, you will find it when you're sick and old. For now, keep on sipping on that comfy liquid gold. If it turns out yellow in your belly, better get to go. About the detail, all about the detail.